Ansha. So December is here, which means New Year is coming, and I love to start fresh and plan for the new year. And let's be honest, the way 2020 went, we all need a fresh start. And planning means planners, and my never-ending love for planners. But I don't like the ready-made planners. I want my planners to be personalized, and personalized planner cost a lot. So today I'm here to show 2 ways on how you can make your own personalized planner in a very easy way. So let's start. For the first one, take a blank notebook or a notebook which have dots like this. And if you can't find blank notebook, and then simply take printing paper A4 size, then cut them according to your size and bind them. Most probably you will find something like this. Now for this, make a list of pages you want in your planner. To-do list, monthly planner, notes, anything you want, add in the list. Now you will easily find inspiration from Pinterest or from Google. Now start doodling and make them customized. This is how I make mine. I start with month opening, then a little calendar, some section for notes, the daily to-do list, habit tracker, monthly favorite. You can add things like budget or mood tracker, anything which you like. I also add a page in the beginning of the planner for my yearly goals. Also a page for yearly reminders, notes, anything in the beginning of the planner. At the end, added a page called Year at a Glance, where I just write if something special happened, and at the end of the year I can look at it. Also what I have done or achieved this year. I just leave some pages at the end of the planner for them. And I have also added this sticky notes and make a bookmark kind of thing for every month. This separates the month perfectly. This is how the whole planner is. For the second one, as the first one required time, and if you don't have time, you can make this one. For the second planner, design your pages. Design your pages, or there are templates available. I use Canva to design mine, and I also find some templates in the Google. I just print them out. I done this last year, search for journal pages, and there are many to choose from. Now just print them out and arrange them. You can bind them or you can just attach them with a paper clip and keep it in a little file. I am using this for a whole year, and I think for the next year I will just go and bind them. So there you go. These 2 options are a lot more cheaper and more customized. So I hope this video helps you, and if it has, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who love planners. Comment down below what you like in your planners, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care. Bye.